I am Meghna and welcome back to my YouTube channel Live It Up with Meghna Malik. And all those who are new here, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time I put up a new video. My today's video is about kids closet, or to be more precise about my son's closet or his wardrobe. I have already done a video on his room tour, but that time I did not show you his wardrobe. A well organized wardrobe is so important for a school going or a growing child, as it is the right time for him to learn and imbibe the value of being organized and independent. Also, there are days when you are out and someone else takes care of him. But the most important thing to remember when we organize our child's wardrobe is that it should be equally easy for him to rearrange. So without wasting any more time, I think I will show you my son's wardrobe. So this is my son's room. I have already done a video on it. He has a separate room and a big almirah. Let me show it to you. This wardrobe is quite big for him alone, but then I feel that it's very handy for him to keep it tidy. Inside on the panels, I have decorated it with posters of Avengers and his favorite characters like Iron Man, Thor, Black Widow, Hawkeye, Nick Fury, etc. He also has few t-shirts and hoodies also of his favorite characters. I always hang his hoodies, sweatshirts and jackets because these things take a lot of space when folded, and also it's not easy for a child to fold it. So it's easy this way and the child can see it at a glance whatever he wants to wear. Down below I have kept his denims, tracks, shorts, shirts and t-shirts in a row. For his undergarments, socks, etc., I use storage and drawer organizers. So this is where he keeps his wristbands, his wallet that has his iCard, swimming pass, his goggles and watch. This drawer organizer has partitions and it's very convenient and practical to organize his stuff. These are stackable. You can also save space by storing them on top of each other. Sometimes for the trendy look, I steal his goggles to wear and keep it back, but then he always gets to know. I am a big fan of baskets and I have plenty of them. I have kept his swimming gear in a separate basket with a cute swimming doggy bag because it's COVID time and the schools are closed, so I have kept all his uniforms in a separate big basket. So it's always wise to separate the clothes as growing children have variable needs. All his jerseys are in one place and there is a separate space to keep his old clothes. It's actually easy for me to find them whenever I want to donate. This wardrobe has quite big shelves and I keep his sweaters and pullovers in one shelf. In another shelf, I have kept his towels, more of small hand towels, as I believe that face towels should be separate from the body towels, and also he doesn't go around in the house looking for fresh ones. As you can see, few deos and sprays too. He loves somehow these deos and sprays. I have kept a small medical kit in the lowest shelf. It has basic stuff, bandage, cotton, Dettol and flavored ORS, nothing else that he can harm himself with. Only his football shoes and badminton shoes are kept inside. The rest all are in the shoe rack. So whenever he goes to his sports academy, he can pack and take them. He wears it only once he reaches there. I have hanged his belts, tie and caps on one side of his wardrobe. Also, I have put a brown paper, it's self-adhesive shelf liner inside the wardrobe to protect his clothes. So this is it guys, this is the full view of his wardrobe. He cleans it himself once in a week and I supervise it once in a while. I hope you find this video useful. Don't forget to share more ideas with me in the comment section down below. So this is it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching the video. Kindly do like my FB page, Live It Up with Meghna Malik. Also don't forget to follow me on Instagram at @MegScarlett, and I will see you soon. Bye.